Jamaica's reggae girls will square off against Haiti, Martinique, Guadeloupe and the Turks and the Caicos Islands in Group B action when the 2019 FIFA Women's World Cup qualifiers take place in May. The draw took place at CONCACAF's headquarters in Miami, Florida on Tuesday morning, which saw 23 Caribbean teams being placed in 5 groups. Group A comprises the Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, Cuba, Anguilla and Aruba. Group C contains Trinidad and Tobago, Dominica, the U.S. Virgin Islands, St. Kitts and Nevis and Grenada. Group D has Antigua and Barbuda, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, St. Lucia and Curacao, while Group E will involve Guyana, Bermuda, Barbados and Suriname. Only the top team from each group will advance to the 5-team CFU final round in July, where the top 3 will qualify for the CONCACAF Women's Championship in October in the United States. From the CONCACAF Women's Championship, the 2 finalists and the 3rd-place finisher will book their tickets to the 2019 FIFA Women's World Cup in France. The 4th-place team will go into a home and away playoff against the 3rd-place team from the South American qualifiers. Jamaica's best finish in the CONCACAF Women's Championship was 4th in 2006. In the last Women's Championship in 2014, Jamaica were eliminated at the group stage after 2 losses from 3 games.